Welcome back to the channel. We're all about that productivity grind here, and lately, AI has been blowing the curve wide open. So in today's video, I'm diving deep into the top 5 AI tools that can seriously supercharge your productivity in 2025. We're talking about next-level stuff here, from AI that writes your emails like a boss, to AI that edits your videos with a snap of your fingers. These tools are straight-up game changers, and I'm hyped to break them all down for you. So if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of productivity and make 2025 your most efficient year yet, buckle up and let's dive in. First up, we've got ChatGPT 4.5 by OpenAI, and let me tell you, this thing is basically like having your own personal Jarvis. Except, it lives in your computer. Whether you're drowning in emails, struggling to write a blog post, or just need some help planning your day, ChatGPT 4.5 is here to the rescue. Seriously, this AI can generate almost anything you can think of, from blog posts and articles to emails and social media captions, even lines of code if you're feeling adventurous. And the craziest part? It does it all in seconds. No more staring at a blank screen, no more writer's block. ChatGPT 4.5 is like having a brainstorming partner, writing assistant, and coding buddy all rolled into one. It's seriously a game changer for anyone who wants to get more done in less time. Next up, we're taking a look at Notion AI, and if you're not already on the Notion train, this might just be your ticket to ride. Notion itself is already a productivity powerhouse, but Notion AI takes it to a whole other level. Think of it as your always-on, super organized workspace assistant. Need help taking notes during a meeting? Notion AI can do that. Want to summarize a long document into a few key takeaways? Notion AI has got you covered. It can even generate task lists, brainstorm ideas, and offer smart suggestions to keep your projects on track. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or running a whole team, Notion AI can help you stay organized, manage projects efficiently, and unleash your creative genius. It's like having a personal assistant, note-taker, and project manager all in one sleek package. Chapter 3. GrammarlyGO, the AI editor that does it all. Coming in at number 3, we've got GrammarlyGO, and this isn't your average grammar checker. We're talking about an advanced AI editor that goes way beyond catching typos and grammatical errors. GrammarlyGO can actually rewrite entire paragraphs for clarity, tone, and style. Imagine this. You're writing an email, and you need to sound more professional. Just hit a button, and GrammarlyGO will instantly refine your tone. Or maybe you've written a blog post, but it's a bit too formal. GrammarlyGO can help you make it sound more conversational and engaging. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly with all your favorite tools, like Gmail, Word, and even Google Docs. So no matter where you're writing, GrammarlyGO is there to help you sound like a pro. Chapter 4. Microsoft Copilot, your AI office assistant. At number 4, we've got Microsoft Copilot, and this is where things start to feel like we're living in the future. Imagine having an AI assistant that lives directly inside your Microsoft Office suite. Well, now you don't have to imagine it. Copilot integrates seamlessly with all your favorite Microsoft apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, ready to lend a helping hand whenever you need it. Need to whip up a killer presentation but don't have hours to spend on design? Copilot can generate one for you in seconds, complete with visuals and data charts. Bogged down by spreadsheets and data entry? Copilot can analyze your data and generate reports with just a few clicks. It's like having a superpowered intern who can handle all the tedious tasks, freeing you up to focus on the bigger picture. Microsoft Copilot is changing the way we work, and it's only getting smarter and more powerful. Chapter 5. Descript, the future of video editing. And last but not least, we've got Descript, and this one is for all my fellow video creators out there. Descript is an AI-powered video and audio editor that's about to change the game. Forget about scrubbing through timelines and messing around with complicated tools. With Descript, you edit your videos like you're editing a text document. Seriously, it's magic. You can remove filler words, add captions, even change the order of your sentences just by clicking and typing. It's like having a personal video editor who can instantly understand and execute your every command. But here's the real kicker. Descript can even clone your voice, so you can create realistic voiceovers without ever having to hit record. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, and it's available right now. Stay productive with AI. So there you have it, the top 5 AI tools that are going to supercharge your productivity in 2025 and beyond. From writing assistants to video editors, these tools are changing the way we work, create, and communicate. Which AI tool are you most excited to try out first? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, while you're there, hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, tips, and insights every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.